Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cleaning Excel data series, where we have been changing and updating a table of data into something a lot more presentable using a whole bunch of Excel tips and tricks. We are at the last lesson, lesson number 8, and that is to use the subtotal formula instead of sum, which is it's a whole lot more dynamic and really useful when you have large data sets of information. Don't forget, if you like what you see, please click the like button or subscribe to the channel. You can go back and see all the other tutorials within this series and other Excel tips and tricks within the channel. So let's get started with lesson number 8 and add the subtotal formula. Now to start with, I'll show you the sum formula and show you how it's different from the subtotal formula. So we'll go up into the cell in K1, and what we'll do is we'll use the sum formula, equals sum, select the cells from K3 down to K1000 or so, and we have our total of $30 million, 163,000 and some change. But one thing this isn't is a dynamic formula. So for example, if we filter this table down to trucks only, we just want to see the sales of trucks. It's filtered the table, but the sum total is exactly the same, 30,163,000. It hasn't updated to the filters we've put in place. So what we'll do is we'll unfilter that, and we'll use what is called the subtotal function. Equals subtotal, open brackets. Now what it gives you the chance to do is a whole bunch of options to average or count the rows. In this instance, we'll use the sum, which is the letter the number 9. So you select 9, comma, and what is the cell range that you want to subtotal? Again, we'll highlight the entire table, and it equals 30,160,000. Exactly what it was before with the sum function. But the dynamic action of this formula is when you do select something within the filters. In this example, we'll select truck again. The sum has now updated just to see what is visible within that table. Really handy tool, really handy formula when you're navigating through large data sets. That is the subtotal function instead of the sum function. So that is the final tutorial within the Cleaning Excel data series. I hope you enjoyed. Please go back and look at the previous tutorials if you haven't already, and hopefully you've enjoyed. Thank you.